Hi, we will now see how we can use the variable within Python. So you have seen in my previous demo that if you go inside a Python interpreter and then you type, let's say, print hello someone, and then it will type hello someone. If you want to type, let's say, hello Mr. Beans, this will type hello Mr. Beans. However, if you have to, let's say, type again hello someone, you have to print like this. Now you have to type again and again the same thing. Instead of that, you can store this into some name, let's put it that way, and use that name whenever you need to use hello someone as a whole string. And it is like a name of a human or name of a thing, as you may think of. You don't have to really explain about everything of the object you're referring to. You can say that um, my mother's mobile, and then you do not have to tell about what is the company, how big the mobile is, when it was purchased, and all these things. So it is basically identifying an object by a small name. Let's do it that way. So if I just say greeting, it's just a name. You can give any name which has no space in between, so it should be single word. So if you want to combine multiple words, you can combine multiple words without any space, right? You can use dash, underscore, all those connector to make it better readable, but you cannot have a space in a name. And then you just say hello someone, and then it does nothing because it just stored things in greetings. So if I say print, now I say greeting, this will print hello someone. Now if I again print, let's say, something else, good morning, then it's gone. If I have to print again, I can just say print greeting because it is now stored within a name, and that will be alive in this window. Once I am out of this, then everything will be cleared and nothing will stay. So you can use it again and again in the same. So when you write multiple lines within Python, you need to probably use one thing again and again. Let's say thank you or please enter, something which is sort of like a common in your scenario, and then you just give a name to that and then use it whenever you need. And this is applicable for everything you do within a programming language, which we will see a little later.